How to fix a Epson printer not scanning. Now there are few reasons if your printer is not scanning, and the first thing is to check your printer Wi-Fi. If you are using a wireless scanning, you have to check if your printer is connected with the Wi-Fi. If it is disconnected, it will not scan. Also, if your home Wi-Fi network is not working, or if you have changed the password of your home Wi-Fi and you didn't update on your printer, it will not work for the scanning. And the second thing is using the proper software. If you are using a mobile device, then make sure you download the Epson iPrint app. And the third thing is, if you are using a laptop or a computer, make sure you download the latest softwares so that it can work properly for the scanning. And those are the common reasons due to which the printer does not scan. Thanks for watching.